chapter 2, that is nouns. We have already completed this chapter in the live class in 3 days.
Yes.
In 3 lectures, we have already completed all the chapters. So you all know what is a noun. Noun is the name of person,
Yes, sir.
place, animal, or thing, right? And how many kinds of nouns are there?
So 5.
Proper
Sir,
noun,
5.
common noun,
Collective noun, material noun, abstract noun.
material noun, and
very good, very good, very
collective
good. Okay. So countable and uncountable nouns you've also studied, which can be counted
Yes,
are called
sir.
countable nouns, which cannot be counted are called uncountable.
Uncountable.
Right?
noun.
So let us directly start the exercise. A start time. Let us start the exercise. Exercise A. Exercise number A. The question
Yes, sir.
is identify the countable and uncountable nouns according to the context. Question number 1 says we should cultivate good manners.
Sir, uncountable.
Yes, sir.
Uncountable noun. Very good. Uncountable noun. Write down uncountable noun. Write it full. Uncountable noun. Don't write only UC or UN. Uncountable noun. Okay, write it full. Now,
Sir, which page number?
what happened?
Sir, which page number?
Chapter 2, exercise A, page number 14. Avni, have you done the homework?
Sir, what?
You don't remember also what was the homework? You wrote the homework in the diary and you don't remember what was the homework.
Sir, yesterday I have not joined the class.
Why?
Sir, because I have only 2 phone and there was a 3 class.
So did you ask anyone for the homework yesterday? I have also checked it. I have also sent it in the class WhatsApp group. Then also you
Yes,
haven't
sir, you have sent it.
I have already sent now. Do the book exercise. Then also you haven't done. Why? Okay. Come on. Question number 2. Her music is very popular.
So uncountable noun.
Sir, countable.
It is what? Countable or
Uncountable.
uncountable?
Sir,
So uncountable noun.
sir, countable.
Pranjal, what is your answer?
Sir, uncountable.
How?
Sir,
Sir, music. Sir,
Yes, sir. So music is uncountable noun.
Yes, it is uncountable.
Uncountable.
Uncountable noun. Aditya, why you said countable noun?
sir, because sir, we can count sir music.
To count music. Okay, now, have you finished your project?
sir, countable.
Sir, countable.
Countable or uncountable? Tamanna.
The countable, sir, because project is countable.
Next. How much sugar do you need for the cake?
The uncountable noun.
Sir, uncountable.
Very good, very good. It is uncountable. Uncountable. Are you all writing in your book?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Next. Books were distributed among the children.
So countable noun.
Sir, countable.
Yes, countable. Okay. Now, we should drink minimum 8 glasses of water daily.
The uncountable noun.
Sir, uncountable.
No? How uncountable? What is
Sir,
written?
countable.
How many
Sir,
glasses?
countable.
8
Sir,
glasses.
8 glasses.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Countable now. Just counting the glasses, not the water. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Wait, see the question number 2. It is in her music, na? It is talking
Yes, sir.
about one music only, not all the music. If it would be her music are very popular, then it would be uncountable. Aditya was
Sir,
correct.
I said that's why, sir, sir, countable.
Yes, yes.
For
It is.
that.
It is which noun it is?
Countable
Sir,
noun.
countable, sir, I am said that, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. You were correct. Good. Yes, countable noun. Because it is only I was not looked it properly. It is countable noun. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Countable noun. Good, Aditya. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Next, we'll be doing exercise number C. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, it was exercise. Which exercise it was? It was A. Now we'll be doing exercise number B.
Yes, sir. Take the correct
B
collective
says
noun.
you
Collective
have to
noun.
pick the correct collective noun. Very easy exercise. The scuba driver swam with a dash of fish towards the remains of the sunk Titanic. What is the
Sir,
correct answer?
shoot.
Huh?
Sir, float.
Sir, shoot.
It is school. School of
Sir,
a school of fish. Okay.
Okay, sir.
A dash of this is collecting dust on the manager's table.
Sir, stack.
stack.
Very good. Yes, yes, Aditya. What was your answer?
Sir, stack.
Stack. Yes. Good. Now, the dash of chickens followed their mother into the coop.
Sir,
a brood of chicken.
Sir, clutch.
Aditya, what is your answer?
sir, broad.
Huh? What is the meaning of bold? Yes. It is not broad, it is brood. Okay? A brood of chickens. Done?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, Tom Alter stacked a play for the dash of soldiers stationed at Kargil.
Sir, team. Sir, team.
No,
Sir, gang.
regiment of soldiers.
Sir, regiment.
Yes, regiment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The dash of Jacanda trees on the Shanti path are laden with flowers.
Sir, bouquet. Sir, bouquet.
Trees. Yeah, can you form a bouquet of
Sir,
trees?
clutch.
Clutch.
Sir, clutch.
Yes. Good. Done?
Yes,
Yes.
sir, done.
It can be only small things. Now you can form a bouquet of flowers, not a bouquet of trees. Done?
Yes, sir.
Pranjali, you are doing?
Yes, sir.
Avni?
Yes, I have done.
Now this is the last exercise, exercise number C. Very short exercises were there. Exercise C says, fill in the blanks with nouns formed from the words given in the brackets. Okay?
Yes.
Question, you have to just write the correct abstract noun of the word given in brackets. Very easy it is. Now, question number 1. His dash to the work urged the boss. Refuse.
Refuses.
What?
Nothing, sir.
Sir, refusing.
No.
Sir, refuses.
Sir,
No.
refuses.
No. Try. His
Sir,
dash to the
refusing. Sir, refusing.
No, refusing is not a noun. Refusing is a verb, na? ing from a verb.
Sir, reference.
Reference?
So sorry, sir.
Sir, refused.
No, refuse is again a noun. Sorry, it is a verb.
Sir, refer.
Refer. How refer will come?
No, sir.
Sir,
Try.
another word.
Try. Pranjal, you try. Avni is not trying anything. Why?
No, sir.
The answer is refusal. Okay? Refusal. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
I was delighted with the dash accorded by my hosts. Warm.
Former.
Warmer? No.
So warming.
No. Again, it is verb.
The warmness.
No. Tamanna? Don't know. Tamanna, do you know? Write down the answer. Warmed. Okay? Write down the answer. Warmed. Okay, Tamanna? Okay. Now, next, a dash in the park was attacked and robbed at a night.
Sir, third one.
Wait, third one. He handed over his dash to the manager this morning. Resign.
Sir, resigning.
No, very easy. Again, ing you are saying. Why you are saying verbs? Resign.
Sir, resigned. Sir, resigned.
No, it is again verb.
So resigning.
No. See, to resign from some post, which letter do you submit? Now tell me, which letter do you submit? For joining, you submit joining letter, and for resigning, which letter you submit?
Sir, resigning letter.
Resigning letter is okay, but what is the other? It is not called resigning letter.
Sir, suspend.
No, why it will come suspend here? Suspend and resign is different thing. Come on, try. Very easy.
Sir,
The answer is resignation. Okay. Now got the word resignation letter?
Yes, sir.
It is resignation. Good. Now, next. A dash in the park was attacked and robbed at knife point.
Sir,
Now, what is the answer? Jog.
sir, jogging.
No?
Sir, jogger.
Huh? Jog?
Jogger.
No? See, read the sentence carefully. Read the sentence carefully. It is, see, it is a dash in the park was attacked and robbed at knife point. Yes.
Yeah.
What is, kya is the answer? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer. Come on. Very easy. Come on, tell. Who will tell? See, write it jog. Write it jog only, okay? Because you know there are some words which are written like this only. Okay, now the dash has decided to give in to the workers' demand. Manage. Very easy it is.
Sir, the manager.
Manager. Huh?
Sir, management.
Very good, Avni. Very good. Management. Very good. The management has decided. Good. Answer 6 will be management.
Sir, answer 6 or answer 5?
It is answer 5. Answer 5. Okay, okay. Answer 5. Good. Now, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is his dash to the post of managing director of the firm came as a surprise to all.
Sir, elected. Sir, elected.
No?
Sir, electing.
No?
Sir, election.
Yes, election. Election. Right, election. Write it down. Election. Done?
Yes, sir.
Her dash was noticed by the head of the department. Efficient. What is the abstract noun of efficient? Very easy.
Sir, efficiency. Sir, efficiency.
Yes, very good, very good. Efficiency. 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 Okay?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, this was all there in today's chapter. This was all the exercise of this chapter. So easy exercise, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
all have written? See here.
Yes, sir.
this table you all have to learn, okay? These are very important words. Decent, decency, active, activity, free, freedom, assistance, patient, patience, okay? This you have to learn. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now. So this was all there for this chapter, and we'll be starting tomorrow the literature part, okay? Chapter 1B. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Read a chapter, read a chapter.
Sir, in English language, there was no chapter written in copy.
Okay, yes, I told you now this. I'll be sharing the yesterday also I told, and today also I'm telling again. I'll be sharing the notes today, and there we'll be doing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this was all for the chapter. Tomorrow we'll be starting.